Luxury cars live between dream and nightmare. They promise comfort, power, and prestige, but they're also famous for repair bills that can feel terrifying. Many owners know the moment. Everything feels perfect until one warning light appears and suddenly your wallet is in danger. But not every luxury car is fragile. Some models manage to deliver performance, comfort, and surprisingly solid reliability, especially when properly maintained. Here are 5 luxury cars that offer speed, luxury, and daily usability without turning ownership into a financial disaster. Number 5. BMW 540i C43. For many years, BMW had a complicated reputation when it came to reliability. Enthusiasts loved the driving experience, but long-term ownership could sometimes be expensive. That narrative began to shift when BMW introduced the B58 turbocharged inline-6 engine, which powers the modern 540i. The B58 quickly became one of the most respected engines BMW has built in decades. It produces around 335 horsepower and delivers smooth, effortless acceleration. According to testing from automotive publications such as Car and Driver, the 2017 BMW 540i can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4.5 seconds, which is impressive for a luxury sedan designed for comfort. What makes the 540i special is its balance. During daily commuting, it feels calm, quiet, and refined. The suspension absorbs bumps easily, and the interior feels properly upscale. But the moment the driver presses the throttle, the car transforms. The turbocharged straight 6 delivers strong acceleration, giving the car sports sedan performance without sacrificing comfort. From a reliability perspective, the B58 engine has proven to be robust compared to many previous BMW power plants. That does not mean it is completely trouble-free. One commonly discussed issue involves the plastic oil filter housing, which can warp over time and lead to oil or coolant leaks if ignored. The key to owning a 540i successfully is simple. Buy one with documented service history and stay on top of maintenance. Regular oil changes, cooling system inspections, and transmission servicing can keep the car running smoothly for years. With used prices often starting around $12,000–$15,000, the BMW 540i offers one of the most affordable entries into the modern luxury sports sedan world. Number 4. Mercedes-AMG C43. AM models are famous for their performance, but they are not always known for long-term reliability. The Mercedes-AMG C43, however, occupies an interesting middle ground. Produced with a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, the C43 delivers serious performance without the complexity of Mercedes' more extreme AMG models. The engine produces around 362 horsepower and 384 pound-foot of torque, allowing the car to accelerate quickly while still maintaining everyday usability. In daily driving, the C43 behaves like a refined executive sedan. The interior is comfortable, the ride quality is smooth, and the cabin feels properly premium. But when the driver accelerates aggressively, the personality changes instantly. The twin-turbo engine delivers strong power, and the exhaust note reminds you that this is still part of the AMG family. From a reliability standpoint, the C43 benefits from being a high-volume performance model rather than a limited exotic AMG variant. This means parts are more widely available and the design is less experimental. That said, there are still a few things potential buyers should watch for. The M276 engine family, which powers the C43, has been associated with cold start rattle caused by camshaft adjuster wear in some cases. If a car produces a noticeable rattling sound during startup, it is worth investigating before purchasing. Like most German performance cars, maintenance discipline is crucial. Regular servicing and careful inspection before purchase are the best ways to ensure a positive ownership experience. Good examples of the AMG C43 can often be found in the $15,000 to $18,000 range, making it an appealing option for drivers who want serious performance in a compact luxury sedan. Number 3. Audi S4 B8.5. The Audi S4 B8.5 is one of the most beloved performance sedans of the past decade, largely because of its unique engine setup. Instead of turbocharging, Audi used a supercharged 3.0-liter V6, which provides immediate throttle response and smooth power delivery. This design gives the S4 a distinctive driving feel. Unlike turbocharged engines that may take a moment to build boost, the supercharger delivers power instantly. Press the accelerator and the car responds immediately, creating a connection between driver and machine that many enthusiasts appreciate. Combined with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S4 provides excellent traction in all weather conditions. Whether driving on dry pavement or wet roads, the car feels planted and stable. When properly maintained, the supercharged 3.0T engine has proven to be relatively durable. However, there are a few known issues owners should keep in mind. Two of the most frequently discussed are the thermostat and water pump, which can develop leaks over time. If these components fail, overheating can occur, so many owners choose to replace them proactively. It is also important to verify that DSG transmission service has been performed if the car is equipped with Audi's dual-clutch gearbox. Ignoring DSG maintenance can lead to rough shifting or expensive repairs later on. Despite these considerations, the Audi S4 remains a favorite among enthusiasts because it combines performance, practicality, and stealthy styling. It looks understated, but delivers sports car-level acceleration when pushed. Used prices often fall below $15,000, making it one of the best performance bargains in the luxury segment. Number 2. Porsche 911 991.1 Carrera. Porsche has long been known for building some of the most rewarding sports cars in the world. But what surprises many people is how usable the Porsche 911 can be as a daily vehicle. The 991 generation, introduced for the 2012 model year, represents an important milestone for the 911. Porsche redesigned the engine architecture, eliminating the infamous intermediate shaft bearing issue that affected earlier models. The new 9A1 engine family delivered improved reliability while maintaining the high-revving character Porsche enthusiasts expect. Behind the wheel, the 991.1 Carrera offers one of the most balanced driving experiences available. The steering is precise, the chassis feels incredibly stable, and the car handles corners with remarkable confidence. Yet it is also comfortable enough for everyday driving. The interior is modern and well-built, and the car can handle daily errands or highway commutes without feeling out of place. Of course, owning a Porsche still requires financial preparation. Parts and servicing are more expensive than typical sedans, and any used example should undergo a comprehensive pre-purchase inspection by a qualified mechanic. But the reward is significant. A well-maintained 991 provides a genuine sports car experience that can still function as a practical daily driver. Today, many examples are approaching the $40,000 range, making them one of the most accessible ways to own a modern Porsche 911. Number 1. Lexus IS 500. If there is one brand consistently associated with reliability in the luxury world, it is Lexus. The Lexus IS 500 takes that reputation and combines it with something increasingly rare, a naturally aspirated V8 engine. Under the hood sits a 5.0-liter V8 producing 472 horsepower, delivering powerful acceleration and a sound that many modern turbocharged engines simply cannot match. Unlike many modern performance cars, the IS 500 relies on relatively simple engineering. There are no complicated turbochargers or complex boost systems. Instead, it uses a naturally aspirated engine paired with a traditional automatic transmission. This simplicity contributes to the car's reputation for durability. Of course, no engine is perfect. The Toyota UR Series V8 used in the IS500 has occasionally been associated with valley plate coolant leaks, a known issue that can occur as mileage increases. Fortunately, most of these problems are manageable with proper servicing. What makes the IS500 particularly appealing is the overall ownership experience. It starts reliably every day, delivers thrilling performance, and does not constantly make the owner worry about catastrophic mechanical failures. In many ways, it represents the best of both worlds, muscle car performance wrapped in a refined luxury sedan. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.